Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you where you can buy an anniversary gift card in the Zomato app. Just open the app, click on your profile in the top right corner, then scroll down until you find the money section, and here tap on buy gift card. Then you can move these titles here to the left and find the anniversary option. Tap on it and now you can select the design and adjust the amount of money, add a new personal message and tap on continue. After that, you may have to update your phone number or you will just have to add the payment options, and then that's basically it. I hope it will be useful for you.